What is up, guys? It is Scott from 4Low Photo, and we had the video on showing you how to take the doors off, specifically if you've never done it before. But now I'm going to show you how to put them back on. May seem obvious, but you know, we'll just go through it anyways just to show you how to do it. All right, just like before, we put those bolts in so we didn't lose them. I'm going to go ahead and take those out. Grab this and move that out of the way. Also, to give us a little bit more room, going to move that guy forward. As you recall, when taking them off, I told you to store these upside down just to give you a little bit better area to place them. So now we can flip them back over, grabbing the handle, pop these in your hinges. Again, being careful that you don't shut the door and get this jam put in there. Holding this with my shoulder, taking our bolt, placing it back in there, starting slowly to make sure we don't cross thread it. Get that bolt in there. Now, close the door a little bit. Put our stop over the top, take our clip and simply plug it back in. Make sure you have the tab portion, which is this, facing outward. That's good to go. You can literally take this end, take the cover, pop it back on. This one is good to go. Same thing here. I'm going to start by removing this bolt. As you recall, we got to get our CMM mirror mounts this week at the beach from them. But until then, I temporarily put the mirrors in there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my mirror, place that to the side, go grab my door. Again, always as a reminder, use this handle on the inside. It's what it's meant for. And on these doors, it's easier if you grab it like this. Get that guy dropped inside of there. Repeat the process with our bolt. Pop this guy out of there. Now, here's a tip. When you plug this guy in here, it's a little tricky. That's pretty tight. You don't have to drop this lever. You don't have to, even if you want to do it a little bit. I think if you do it a little bit, it's a plunger style. It helps plug it in, but I'm not fully clicked. Now that just makes it easier the next time you come back to take these off. So, close our door a little bit, drop that guy on there, then go ahead and put your cover back on. Boom. Just like that, our passenger side is buttoned up. You may be asking, why are you buttoning everything up if you're about to head to Jeep Beach? I do bring a lot of gear out there. I like to get stuff in my hotel room, so at least it gets a little crazy on I-4 over here. So yeah, I do like to at least throw the doors on, and then if I decide, depending on the weather, we bring our cover if I'm gonna take everything off. But that's why I'm doing it, and to show you, why else? Let's go ahead and get that bolt out. Push our seat forward, remove our plastic cover. Upside down door, flip it around. Grab it from the inside. Drop that into place. Grab our bolt. Probably better start those guys by hand. Push the door in, put the stopper on. Take this, tab side out, push that in there, put your cover on, bada bing, bada boom. Nice and simple. Boom. Now, as I stated in my door removal video, sometimes if you have a 4-door and you're just gonna be running around for the weekend, whether you have people back there or not, you can just remove these doors, or even if you have younger kids or dogs and you don't feel safe with that. Nothing wrong with just removing the front too. Takes less time and you still get that open air feeling, and everything in the back doesn't fly around as much. So I think I did that for one Jeep Beach, just left the house with just the front doors off. So yeah, it's always an option as too. Go ahead and remove Carolina Metal Masters doors, CMM. Can't wait to get those mounts for the 2025 at the track on Friday. Boom, door it up. Go ahead, first thing, get our bolts in there. Where'd our bolt go? Didn't take it out yet, see? Sometimes when I'm making videos, I forget to do the stuff I'm telling you to do to make it easier on you, but now you know. Start the bolt by hand. We're going to put that as a PSA. Pull off the cover. Drop that in there. And again, here's the tip. Pop that guy in there and just drop that a little bit. Then you don't have to mess with it next time trying to do the clip and everything. If it's almost all the way down, all right, let's make sure we did everything right. Don't forget to do that. You'll be annoyed when you start to drive. All right, let's see here. Hey, the windows go up. We did something right. And there you have it. We are back. We are ready to roll. Heading to Jeep Beach 2026 in Daytona. See you out there.